What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Hill. This is our last filler for this 3-jersey Raz. This fills the Raz. We're going to be giving away 3 jerseys to 3 winners, top 3 spots after this. This is for the final 3 spots in the Raz. Lots of 3s going on here live. Good luck. Good luck with luck. Where are we 2? 8, 12. John, you're missing the 1. 8, 12. Here we go. 1, 2. Quick 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 8-12. 8-12 it is. Last and final, top 2 are winners. Here we go. We got Cody, the non-payer, and Jeffrey, spot 7. Here we go. Last timestamp. Congrats, guys. We're going to fill up the Raz. Cody, you got 2 spots. Jeffrey, you again are getting 1. 8-12. 8-12. There you go. 4 random. 7. 5. Cody, Jeffrey, good luck. Good luck. We'll see you soon.